Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw the sectional elevation through a door. Now let's get started in today's video. So first off, you want to draw a rectangle, REC, enter. And this one, let me change it to my dimension later. Sorry guys. Construction, REC, enter, click there. And for this one, it could be 30 to 50. In this case, I'm using 50. Or you can use 30, 40, or 50. Right? REC, enter. 50, tab, 2,100. Enter. Should look like this. Now, we're going to draw, once again, actually, I'm going to use line. No, I'm going to use circle. Click here. 100. No, turn on RFO. 100. From here to there. Enter. Delete this circle. I don't. Oh, I accidentally deleted the line. Do it over. If you delete it again, do it over again. It's okay if you made a mistake. Escape. Like this. You don't really need it. Then REC again. Click here. Click there to reinforce it. And then copy. CO. Enter. Click this. Enter. From here. Yeah, at the moment where I was thinking if I should do the first point or the bottom, the middle point or the bottom point. Escape. CO again. Like this. Enter. And this time we're gonna use. You can use this side or this side. I'm gonna use this side or this side. Click there. Escape. Then we're gonna do polyline. Oh no. Spline actually. SPL. Enter. Click there. Where is this midpoint? Wait guys, I'm gonna check if geometric center is on. OSNAP. Geometric center. Okay. And now it should press SPL. Enter. There. Back there. There it is. Then I keep doing this. And guys, once again, you don't click escape like line does. Because I did this mistake over and over times. You click enter actually. Then CO. Enter. Copy this. Go right there. Up. There. Then CO. Copy. CO. Enter. Click. Enter. Bottom point. Click there. Escape. And it should look like this. Then we use okay, in this part you can use multi-line, or use line to reinforce it, or use multi-line. I would say I'll use multi-line for this. ML. Enter. After you've done this line. Scale should Can it be about, I'm gonna say 10. Yeah, that one's perfect. Perfect. ER. Enter, enter. Click. I don't want it like that. Okay. Yeah, escape. Then REC, enter. This one should be about 850 tab 1 to 100, 8, aka 2100. And I'm gonna put this aside. So move, enter, move. Actually, I'm gonna draw a line. Probably out here. What? About right there. Then enter. I'm gonna leave that construction line right there. Then there. I'm gonna change this to outline. Real quick, boys. I'll leave it like that. After that, we're doing construction. Then OF, enter. The sun should be about 100, 100, enter. And then EX, enter. I would use this, no, X, enter. EX, enter. X, enter. EX, enter. Click this, click that. And if you think you're done, you're not yet. REC, enter. Click here, click there. And if I'm going too fast, slow down the video. Because it takes a lot of practice to be like me. And if you try to be like me, like try to go as fast, you may, but if you concede and can handle this, congrats. But if you can't, if you can't handle my speed, you slow down the video. It's important. And if you can't handle, but you're still not listening, so you might make a mistake. And yeah, but after that, you're just gonna move, enter, click here. No, click from make a rectangle. Wait a second. I made a rectangle from right here, and then just copy and click this midpoint about right here. To this midpoint I'll snatch on right here, and this is what it should look like. Let me go here. I'm gonna delete this line. I don't want it. Or maybe I just. But if it's hard to see, like it is, that. And after that, this one should look like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this banger video. Please consider to like and subscribe. You guys are the best. Make sure you comment and like. Bye.